Here I have iPad 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Siri feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the Siri Search section. Here you can find listen for Hey Siri, enable this feature, then you have to enable Siri, then you have to set up it. Hey Siri. Okay, not Spanish, we have to change this our language to English. Let's try it one more time. Then you have to say Hey Siri into your iPad. Hey Siri. Then Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And now you have this feature enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.